Israel-born Palestinian-American televangelist Benny Hinn is expected to arrive in Uganda in the next couple of days to hold a crusade expected to be attended by hundreds of thousands.
It shows us the love and the admiration he has about the country. And we want also to thank God for the freedom of worship we have. And peace, you cannot conduct an event like this. But also we reflect on the first time he came, we were at Nambole Stadium.
The crusade will be hosted by Lubaga Miracle Center under senior pastors Robert and Jessica Kayanja. This will mark Hinn's third visit to Uganda. His first visit was to Nambole Stadium as part of the fire conference hosted by Pastor Robert Kayanja.
Then when he came back, he came for a fire conference. It turned into like a crusade because people came so many. We put it at the church and we thought it was just going to be pastors and leaders, but it ended up being a healing service.
Dr. Mary Dawn, the director of events for Benny Hinn Ministries, announced that the renowned evangelist will arrive on Friday to perform miracles for the vulnerable.
We know that something amazing is going to happen. To see the people love and excitement for that, but also what they anticipate to happen. It's amazing and very touching to us. I've sent pictures to Pastor to show him the choir rehearsal, the pastors gathering, all the work happening right behind us, and he's amazed by what's happening. I saw the precious ladies yesterday cleaning, helping, laying chair, doing so much work here. Why? Because they feel that sense of anticipation in their heart for what is going to happen here.
Pastor Robert Kayanja, the host, stated that the crusade will run from June 27th to 29th this year, with the purpose of promoting healing among believers.
Everyone is welcome. This is a people meeting. It's a people meeting. It's God meeting people. So whether you're Muslim, whether you're white, please, you're welcome. That's why I started by thanking the Catholic Church for helping us. They are, one way or the other, they are participating by helping us. Because they've not charged us anything, they've not done the distributions. And St. Lawrence has said, okay, use my field as well, so that the people of God can.
William Ruanga, Chris Semalemu Semakula, Beg Television.